top of the day to you, man. Hey, guys, I appreciate it. We hit 1,000 subscribers. Woohoo! Not really anything's going to change. It's just my my goal, and I appreciate every one of you for your support. And like I said, this channel's all for you guys. It's not for me. It's for you, for educational purposes. So anyway, so we got to go finish up at ceiling. I meant to do it Friday, but I got sidetracked on other dumb stuff and didn't go back. So let's go put some texture on that little bitty spot. So some of you guys would just say screw it and let it go, you know. But then when you put the vent cover on, it's all painted. Then you got that flat spot. I just look stupid, man. I've already invested time into it. Let's go ahead and finish it off. So we'll slap a texture on it real quick and go from there. So I went ahead and took the multi-tool, cut that off. So now I want to test the, put the cover on, see how it comes out. See how much I'm gonna have to cover up. Little fingers. Yeah, okay. So I don't really have to do anything to the back or the two sides. I just need it right here. So we'll just put some mud on it real quick. We'll be good to go, man. It's not everybody seen me do this. So I always use 90-minute mud. The reason why is because it sets up quick. Well, I don't like using 20-minute or 5-minute mud because it sets up too hard. This is pretty easy to work with. I don't need a whole lot, so just a little bit. I always keep it in a bucket with a lid because it'll draw moisture. So keep it in a lid. And then I'll put the fiber tape on it. The fiber tape is to help it be smooth for rapid repairs. Even on little holes like this, I'll still put a little dot of this stuff on there. It's fiber tape. It's fiber fuse. That's what the name of it is. I put a little bit of mud, bit of water, and get the old mixer out. Put a little mud on it. Just a little bit. Plus this way I can kind of float it out a little bit more. Ooh, mud. I don't want to get too much on there. Otherwise I'm going to be texturing the ceiling. Just get your first coat on there. And then put your little bit of fiber tape on that. It'll help to smoothen the drywall out. That's all you need to do, bro. Put a little bit of mud on it. I'm gonna put a little bit extra on there, just to help smooth it out. I'll put a little bit of mud back on top of it. That'll work fine, perfect. Little baby rub. So we'll leave that alone. It'll dry in an hour. So I don't know if I can use some mud or not. Don's here, so he'll paint. Oh, that'll work. Take a little finger dab on there. That's what we'll do with these holes. Little finger dab. Like Ross the painter. Just a little stop it today to you. I'm gonna finish this off. Slap a little texture on there. Let's see what I got. My little bucket of mud that I had on the last ceiling repair. It's pretty wet. It's got a lot of water in it. Take the old texture brush. This is all I'm gonna do. Put it in there, give it a little spin, Get a little mud on it. That's all I'm gonna do. Don's staring at me. Anyway. That's it. That's all I gotta do with it. Pat pat. It'll be fun. And then Don will paint around it. It'll dry in a couple hours. Don will paint it, and then we'll put the cover on. Easy peasy. Alrighty, so we got that all done. That's gonna look really pretty. Don will finish up the painting. He's got he got it cut in. He's got the apartment cut in. He's still got to paint it, but he'll take care of the painting of that, and that'll look really good once it's done. It's just slap a texture on it. You don't want to smooth spot on the ceiling. So, anyways, I don't have a lot going on. I think I got a couple of small work orders. We had massive rains on Friday and Saturday. And 2 apartments got a little bit, actually 3. 3 apartments got a little bit of water on the floor by the windows. You know, it's not the best drainage system for those buildings, for the roof. They go straight down the building, go into a drain pipe, but it doesn't go into a big sewer line. So it's kind of weird. So it probably backed up and the water overflowed and leaked out. But I can't fix anything with that, so we'll close those 2 work orders out. But I do have one where shower's leaking. There's a leak bad above the shower. It's a tub above. 108L. I think that's the one we just redid the ceiling. But I don't know what's going on. We'll go check it out, though. And what else? That's a water leak and another leak. There's nothing I can do about those 2, just foundation leaks. So the only work order I got today is just that above the shower's leaking. And 108L, that's the one that, for those who watch my stuff every day or all the time, it's the one that people trashed the apartment out. We had to go in and redo the ceiling above the bathtub, and it had the big hole in the bedroom wall in the corner. But so we'll have to go check that out and see what's going on. I know it's not tub drain because I already redid tub drain, and I already replaced the wax ring on the toilet. So, and then the tenant above busted the toilet. I don't know if you remember that one, but anyways. So we'll get to doing something, man. Might work on the truck today. It's supposed to be 71. We'll see you guys in a minute. I just felt led to share this real quick. I did go to church Sunday. I haven't been in 7 years. I did the math. It was 7 years. It's a good church, man. They do a lot of stuff over there. A lot of good people. Anyways, just thought I'd share this. I had a girl in front of me. Now, I've never been there. These people don't know me. You know, it's a big church. This girl in front of me, young girl too. Girl in front of me after service. She turned around and looked at me. She said, I just got a word from God for you. It said that that he's going to restore my family. Like, what? By the end of the day, Sunday, my son came and seen me. That was awesome. That was awesome. Praise the Lord. Anyways, love you guys. Let's do something. Okay, so I'm out there on a tub leak. This bathtub has leaked downstairs numerous times. You guys probably won't, I'd have to show you the video. And that's the one where the ceiling was completely gone, vacant unit, people ditched out, had to rebuild the whole ceiling and stuff. But I've had a lot of problems with this bathtub. I've redid the drain underneath. Everything's good to go, so I'm going to check something out real quick. I think I may know what the problem is. Well, I guess we found us another one. Tub separator. You believe that? No plumber's putty on it. Man, this thing wasn't leaking last time I was here. Anyways, let's get that out. What you doing, Poopies? What you doing? What you doing? That's just a cute little dog. A Labradoodle thingy-digger. And another one. Well, no plumber's putty. Well, I guess we'll go back to Lowe's, get another one. Get this fixed. We got us a friend. We got us a friend. Oh my gosh. Get right up in my lap. Oh, you're so cute. Ain't this precious? I get to go to work with a dog. Come on. Good puppy. Friendly little pup. I love dogs, man. Over people all day long. Anyways, let's go to Lowe's, get another freaking tub drain. I should have checked that, but I just wasn't paying attention. I just assumed. So that's what happens sometimes, man. You assume, no big deal, and then you're on it for an hour and a half. Alright, so hopefully we don't have any problems with this. I always like to put the new rubber back in there. Yeah, that was pretty tight. I think I'm gonna leave this one alone. That is pretty tight, bro. Let's see if I can move it just a hair. So, see if we can get this on there, man. Leave that rubber alone this time. I had a problem with it the last time. Let's get that plumber's putty made up for it. Hopefully we don't have any problems with this one. The last one gave me problems. It's actually just a hair bit out. Let's see if I can get that started. Hope and pray that it goes on there right. It feels pretty good. Feels good. Yeah, feels right. So let's screw it on there, man. Like I said, the last one I did gave me all kinds of problems. That one feels real good, man. That felt real good. That's a nice and tight fit. So, of course, now we got to run water. Go downstairs, make sure it doesn't leak. I'm pretty sure that's pretty tight. I feel confident. Go down and run some water real quick. Alright, so I got it. I went downstairs. Everything looks gorgeous. No leaks. This tub drain's a little slow though. So she holds. Cool. Cool. Let's get out of here. It's 5:02. Appreciate you. My dog's gonna bark in the background, so just deal with it. They're over there barking somebody out the window. Anyways, so the tool giveaway is still on. We're gonna run it till Friday, so you need to send me an email. Send me an email in subject line, put tools, and then in the email, tell me how long you've been doing the work, what city you're in, and what's your favorite brand tools. You know, like I said in the beginning, I'm not judging you for, the winner's not going to be somebody that just started yesterday. I'm going to take everybody that sends an email. I don't care who you are. Everybody sends an email. I'm going to put your name in a hat and draw it out, and that'll be the winner. I'm not being, it doesn't matter to me. And like I said in the last video about tools, it doesn't, the tool depends on, who wins it. If it's somebody that, maybe you like DeWalt tools, man, and maybe you're just starting out, and, maybe you got a couple 20 volts or something like that. Maybe I'll get you some new tools, but it's not Pacific Box tools. So I'll pick you out some tools and send them out, man. That's my appreciation to all you guys. I was trying to get some stickers made up, but that got real expensive real quick. So I'm still working on some stickers. Racing Department Maintenance, a little logo. I thought it was pretty cool, but it's quite expensive. So, anyways, I'm still working on that. I got my business cards coming. I'll show you those when they get here. I just went with the guys who made my logo because they already had everything. I didn't have to send them anything. They just had to edit what they already had, and then they make me up some business cards. And that's toolkit, logo design, business cards. They do all kinds of stuff, man. They're really, these guys are on it. They've designed everything for you. But anyways, shout out to the tool kit. Is that what it is? I think so. Anyways, right there. I put it down there. Anyways, check them out if you guys are interested, man, in getting a little logo made up for yourself. Shout out to We Work, the brand shirts that I wear all the time. They're super freaking cool, man. I love all their clothes. I wear their stuff every single day. I'm not even being sponsored by them, man. Every single day I've got one of their shirts on. They got some cool stuff. Check them out, man, if you get a chance. They ask where you heard it from. Say Ray's Maintenance. I'm not sponsored by them. Maybe someday, but I'd rather sponsor them, and I buy their stuff all the time because they help support the vets, stuff like that. So I'm not a vet, unless you want to call my ex-wife. I'm just joking, man. Anyways, peace out. We'll see you later.